So, sodium chloride, you would have a sodium atom with its one electron. You would have a chlorine atom with its 7 electrons. And then you would draw an arrow from the sodium to the chlorine to show the movement of that electron. In the end, our final product our sodium does not have any electrons anymore. You have to put square brackets around it. It lost 1 electron, so its overall charge is 1 plus. You can put +1 or 1 plus. Right beside it, there's nothing in between. You will do square brackets with your chlorine in, and the chlorine has all 8 electrons. So it has a charge of 1 negative. So what you've just done is used Lewis structures to show the formation of sodium chloride. So you're going to do all of this if I say to you, show, using Lewis structures, how to form sodium chloride. We'll do everything. If I say, draw the Lewis dot structure for sodium chloride, you will only do this part. So if I say, show how it forms, it's the whole thing. If I just want the Lewis structure,
Can I go?
sure.
I have an appointment.
Okay. Happy appointment. Not going to have any electrons on your calcium in your product. What's the charge going to be? Yeah, 2 plus because it lost, positive. 2 electrons, so 2 plus. And then you're going to have your fluorine with all 8 trying to do that so you can see. It has a charge of 1 minus. Don't change it to 2 minus. And you can either draw another fluorine or put a subscript 2. Don't change the charge on the ion. Each fluorine only got 1 extra electron, so it has a 1 minus charge.